Been seeing ad for the Aquos Pressure Washer and wondering whether it's actually worth buying or just another overhyped cleaning gadget? Then this video is for you. The product claims it can turn any ordinary garden hose into a powerful high-pressure washer using something called hydropower technology. According to the website, it can instantly remove dirt, grime, and stains while helping clean driveways, patios, cars, fences, decks, and more. It sounds impressive, especially for people looking for a cheaper alternative to expensive pressure washers. But does it really work as advertised? Let's talk about it. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. One of the first red flags is the website age. Reports show the website was recently created on March 15, 2026. That's important because newly launched websites selling heavily advertised products can sometimes be risky. A new website does not automatically mean scam, but buyers should still be careful, especially when there are very limited long-term customer reviews available online. Another concern is the product's professional-grade cleaning claims. The ads make it seem like this small attachment can replace a real pressure washer. But realistically, a normal hose attachment cannot create the same pressure as an actual electric or gas-powered pressure washer. Real machines usually operate between 1,500 and 3,000 psi, while a regular garden hose produces far lower pressure. So while this nozzle may focus water flow slightly, it's unlikely to deliver the same deep cleaning power shown in advertisements. The term hydropower technology is another thing people should question. It sounds advanced, but in reality, this appears to be a basic spray nozzle attachment rather than some revolutionary invention. Many similar products use fancy names to make ordinary tools sound more powerful than they really are. There's also the promise of instant cleaning. The marketing suggests tough dirt, mold, algae, and stains disappear effortlessly within seconds. But in real-world situations, stubborn stains usually require scrubbing, cleaning chemicals, or genuine high-pressure equipment. So these instant results may be exaggerated for advertising purposes. Another issue is the gap between marketing and reality. The videos show effortless professional-level cleaning, but the actual results will depend heavily on your home's water pressure. If your water pressure is weak or average, performance may not match the ads at all. The product also doesn't seem to offer much unique value. Similar hose attachments are widely available online at much cheaper prices. This raises concerns about possible overpricing or dropshipping with a large markup. At the end of the day, the Aquos Pressure Washer may work fine for light cleaning tasks, but the advertising appears to exaggerate what it can realistically do. So before buying, make sure to research carefully, compare prices, and keep your expectations realistic.